Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, I welcome you all in our Tajweed classes. We might start with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying, "The best amongst you is the one who learns the Quran and teaches it." In this lesson, we will learn the rules of the Noon Sakina and the Tanween. Before we start the types of the rule of the Noon Sakina or the Tanween, we have to know what is the Noon Sakina and what is Tanween and what are the differences between the Noon Sakina and the Tanween. First of all, let me start with the differences between the Noon Sakina and the Tanween. The first main difference between the Noon Sakina and the Tanween is the Noon Sakina comes in the middle and at the end of a word, but the Tanween comes only at the end of the word. The second main difference is between the Noon Sakina and the Tanween that the Noon Sakina can be in the verbs, nouns, and even the prepositions, but the Tanween can only be in nouns. And the third main difference between the Noon Sakina and the Tanween, of course, the Noon is a harf, is a letter, but the Tanween is a vowel. So we have double Fatha, which we call it Tanween Fath. We have double Kasra, which we call it Tanween Kasr. And we have double Dhamma, which we call it Tanween Dhamm. These are the main differences between the Noon Sakina and the Tanween. And shortly, I'm going to tell you what types of rules of the Noon Sakina and the Tanween. We have 4 rules of the Noon Sakina and the Tanween, as you can see on the screen. The first type we have is Idhar, which means clarity and appearance. The second one is Idgham, which means merging. The third one is Iqlab, which means turning and changing. And the final and the last one is Ikhfa, which means the hiding and the concealment. Inshallah, in the coming classes, we will teach you and I'm going to help you step by step what does that mean and how can we apply this in Quran. Thank you very much for listening. Hope that video was useful for you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.